In this training, we're going to discuss the New Zealand Privacy Act 2020. This important privacy law was enacted to strengthen privacy protections for individuals and to set clear responsibilities for organizations handling personal information. So, how does it work? Basically, the Privacy Act gives people specific rights over their personal information. It also means organizations need to respect these rights and put measures in place to comply with the law. Let's go over the key rights granted to individuals. 1. Right to access. Individuals have the right to request access to personal information that organizations hold about them. 2. Right to correction. Individuals can request that organizations correct any personal information that is inaccurate, incomplete, or outdated. 3. Right to be informed. Individuals have the right to be informed about the collection and use of their personal information, including the purpose for its collection and how it will be used. 4. Right to notification of privacy breaches. Individuals must be notified if a privacy breach has occurred that has caused or is likely to cause serious harm. The Privacy Act 2020 applies to all organisations and businesses in New Zealand, both public and private sector, that collect, use or store personal information. This includes government agencies, companies and individuals engaged in trade. Now let's talk about their responsibilities. 1. Transparency. Organizations must provide clear and accessible information about their data collection practices and their privacy policies. This includes explaining what personal information is collected and how it will be used and disclosed. 2. Handling privacy breaches. They need to establish procedures for managing privacy breaches. This means having clear and easy to understand privacy policies that explain what personal information they collect and how they'll use and share it. 3. Data security. Implement reasonable security safeguards to protect personal information from unauthorized access, misuse, or disclosure. This includes taking steps to prevent loss, modification, or destruction of personal data. Failing to adhere to the Privacy Act 2020 can lead to significant financial penalties and legal complications. Beyond that, it can cause reputational harm, including loss of customer trust, negative publicity, and long-term damage to a company's brand and customer relationships. In summary, the New Zealand Privacy Act 2020 represents a significant step forward in protecting individual privacy. It's essential for organizations to understand their obligations under the law and for individuals to be aware of their rights. Thank you for watching.